Hi there. This is the default login page for WooCommerce websites. However, this is not properly protected from any sort of automated bots or softwares. I'm going to show you how SwiftCommerce can help you protect this login page from bad actors by using Cloudflare Turnstile captcha. So let's get started. I'll head over to the dashboard of my website and hover on SwiftCommerce and click on SwiftCommerce so I can open up the dashboard. Here, I'll head over to the spam, and inside spam, I'll click on reCAPTCHA. Now, reCAPTCHA is not enabled at all. I'll click on the enable, and here we have a couple of options. So in previous videos, I worked on Google reCAPTCHA, and here I'm going to choose Cloudflare Turnstile. From here, I need to add site key and secret. I'll add the keys right now. Now here, I have three options: always visible, execute, or interaction only. So right now, by default, I'm keeping it always visible. Before saving the changes, I have to go to settings page, and here I can see all of the pages are turned on. So let's say I'll disable all of them and make sure which specific page do I want. So right now, I only want this captcha to appear on the WooCommerce login page. I'll enable this one. I'll hit save changes. Now I can just go over to the login page, refresh the website, and I can see Cloudflare Turnstile added to my login page below the password field. And here you can see it is automatically verifying my session as I am not a robot. So that's how easy it is to add Cloudflare Turnstile captcha to your WooCommerce website without any issues. I hope this helps.